apart dust, yet you're still making trophies out of us. Making something out of nothing, it's what you do. Yet your work is never finished and it's never past due. Gently your voice like a calming embrace calls me from out of the noise. You whisper to me, child, forget not your dreams, as we lie awake in the dark. Just don't lose heart. From the dirt to a throne with a brand new name, in the blood of the King running through our veins. Yeah, there's hidden gold in these jars of clay, and all these hidden crowns will be revealed one day. Yeah, we'll lay them down at your feet one day. And gently your voice like a calming embrace, it calls me from out of the noise. You whisper to me, child, forget not your dreams, as we lie awake in the, we lie awake in the, we lie awake in the dark. Just don't lose heart. He's got your hand. And don't lose heart, child. He knows your name. And when everything is falling apart, don't lose heart. And when everything is falling apart, just don't lose heart.
I cannot find a place to rent. You can't afford an accident. The dreams of our tomorrows under ashes of today. They had to move the beach house back. My parents still won't cut me slack. A carousel of violence, a Twitter call for change. Was there always something in my eye? A trauma bond is easily won tonight, but we found love at the end of the world, and I don't think I feel guilty for feeling something at all, when there is nothing but clutching at pearls in the ruins of this city. I welcome love at the end of the I'm sorry that I still want kids. Don't wanna know what Johnny did. The evil of two lessers, 10 hours on my phone. Vacation homes in outer space, the finish line of the human race. Depression, sex, and uppers, new ways to be alone. Baby, is that something in your eye? Can't you help with turning off the lights? 'Cause we found love at the end of the world, and I don't think I feel guilty for feeling something at all, when there is nothing but clutching at pearls in the ruins of this city. I welcome love at the end of the world. Is it okay to feel this happy beneath the shadow of the wave? I go to heaven when you kiss me, and give the hell a brief escape. But we found love at the end of the world, and I don't think I feel guilty for feeling something at all,